Matanya ma athikabu aya ni kunyitithania kanitha wa AIPCA uria kwa ihinda iraya ukoretwo na ngucanio cia atongoria na gucungiriria Njatukano gatagati-ini ka arumiriri. Atongoria aya maugite gutire mundu umatindikiriirie kunina Njatukano ciao, makiuga githurano gia gucagura muthikabu mweru ni gitanyitwo gutabanio mwaka ukite.
We agreed to have the church united together with the leaders of the church who support us, to have the church united willingly without being coerced by anybody. We can only say that we are thankful to His Excellency the President, because where we required his support, he would assist us.
Once that time comes, then we shall have one united church with one archbishop.
Mundu ungienda gutura handu hatari na thayu, nitukwenda gwitura twina thayu tondu nikyo Ngai atwitire.
Maya magithiaga nambere atongoria a kanitha uyu kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni mokiriire miario ya mumbunge wa Kandara Alice Wahome iria yumanite na guikio ngono kwa murumiriri umwe wa kanitha uyu.
How do you expect the Christians to be able to host you if you start by arresting some of the leadership of the same church that you want to be hosted by?
Na no twende kwira muheshimiwa Alice muthoni wa Wahome uria tu supportaga muno andu aguku na tukamunyitirira. Turona kurakia akandika kiundu gia kanitha wa iji ni atunyitiriire na ni tumwendete, no twende kumwira atiriri ni atuhe ihinda tunyitithanie kanitha wa AIPCA.
Atongoria ya maugite makoretwo mihang'o-ini ya kunina Njatukano iria ikoretwo gatagati-ini kao, na uguo matihariirie gucokio na thutha ona kana kuhakwo ndoro ni ateti.
Atige kudrag kiungano kia AIPCA thiini wa siasa itari njega.
Kanitha uyu ugite uranyita mbaru thirikari iria irathana, na mweri ukite murugamo wao ni ukarekererio hindi ya igongona ria kurehe hamwe athikabu aria makoretwo magayukanite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.